What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 3 of 3, in which we are detailing and just completely transforming my grandfather's E46 330CI. Now, in the first episode, we gave it the most intense wash it's ever had, and in the second episode, we transformed the paint back to this absolutely gorgeous shine. Like, that is just insane. I will have links to both of those as well as the playlist containing all 3 videos in the description below. If you haven't seen those 2 yet, I highly recommend you go watch them. They're actually really good. Then come back to this video and watch this one. This video, we are going to be ceramic coating the car with Adams Polish's Graphene ceramic spray. That's a mouthful. I've got everything we need on this top shelf right here, including the graphene and a special second bottle because, yeah, I'm about out. The surface prep in a second bottle because I'm about out. The glass cleaner in a second bottle because I'm about out. Detail spray that. And the only thing I don't have over there are the towels, of which these are the ones I'm going to be using. Towels, I use the gray ones and the white ones. So let's get started. First thing we got to do is remove all the tape and the top. And to remove the top, I got to actually open up the top because of the way I tucked it in. So let's go do that. That should have it open enough I can peel it out now. Windows didn't roll down for some reason. Here it is, take the tape off of this. This is going to be a long process, but it's also super satisfying because of all of the stuff that gets to come off. Plus, this was such an annoying process to do. Alright, we're gonna remove the tape. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Look at that. That is done. Alright, one of the things you guys saw I have are these cleaning swabs. Now I've got these cleaning swabs because, as you see here in the BMW logo, there is kind of like crap around the edges. This just wipes it right out. And this is exactly what we're doing with these. I think the only other places I saw, actually, hold up. Yeah, right here. Here along the back with the letters. Or I guess these are numbers, not letters. So you guys might be wondering why I have the glass cleaner and clay bars. And that's because I didn't actually clay bar the glass while I was washing the car. Normally I do that if I was just applying stuff, but I knew I was gonna get polish splatter like down here, all over the front of the car, all over the glass. So I'm saving it till I'm done. This also helps get off any bugs that might have worked their way. No, you don't. Come on off. See, bug guts. So if any bugs died on the glass while I was cleaning, which did happen, this gets them off. I definitely feel this glass is not exactly clean. Or at least it wasn't. Okay, so to prep a soft top for a ceramic coating, you need to go in basically with a piece of blue tape and pick up any piece of lint or anything that you find that isn't supposed to be ceramic coated. I'm gonna have to close that garage door, aren't I? Because neighbor once again decides to mow while I'm recording. That's always how it goes. Actually, it's probably gonna be best if I close the garage door anyway, because it won't let anything fresh in. Alright, I was looking on the forums just to make sure I was doing this right, and it looks like for a soft top, it is literally just to spray it and leave it. I've got a towel here just to make sure if I get any overspray out of the windows and stuff, I can buff it off, since those are not a spray and leave, obviously. And I will link the actual forum post in the description below. but I guess the only thing to do is to do it. Yeah, crap, I really should not be using an almost empty bottle on this, probably. I'm gonna actually swap over to a nearly full bottle. Let's do this again. Oh, so much overspray on the back. Crap. Not want that at all. Okay, the nice thing about Atoms is that they have this UV tracer, so I can see exactly where it's been coated and where it hasn't, and more importantly, where it's on the windows. Alright, with that chaos averted, I am going to be doing this the right way. Starting on the trunk because I did get a lot of overspray, so I just want to make sure I have no high spots. I'm going to surface prep this. An almost empty bottle of surface prep. Hit it with a towel. I take this, I'm going to do this over here in the corner. I don't know if you'll be able to see me, so I want to do this away from the car. Hit it 4 times to start, and then spread it on. Working in a hatch style, so up and down. And then once this is done with the up and down, you go right to left. I'm actually going to work in segments. And then once it starts rainbowing, which it already has actually, it's working very fast, you start polishing. Normally it does not start rainbowing this fast, but it is also probably 100 degrees in the garage right now. It is so hot. I'm gonna take one of these gray towels, which you can start to see over here. I'm gonna buff it off. Now you work with your towels folded. Basically I'm leaving behind a bunch of residue. I'm gonna come back once I've completely wiped it off and hit it again with a different side of the towel so I'm not going through needless towels. I don't know how much of that is visible, but it is visible from where I'm standing. This same process gets done to the window as well. So you go Now the issue with the window is that you can't really see it rainbowing, so you kind of just have to go off time. And once it starts to disappear, I buff it off. There was something put on the front windows before I got a hold of them, and it's making my life really difficult. There we go. And here's the view that everybody loves to see get ceramic coated. So you can see off the right side of the hood there, that polish that just got cleaned up by this. That's why you do this step, because you want to ceramic coat the hood, not the polish. Just going to define my boundary. Now we're going to let that rainbow. Check it with the UV. I'm going to kill the light. Kill the light, check it with the UV. Looks like I got pretty even coverage that time. Great. You can see exactly where the coverage stops right there and up there. All right, I'm not seeing it rainbow, but it's been sitting on the paint for long enough that I'm calling it good. All right, there we go. All right, I had to go find a mask to put on because I got my 4th bloody nose in 3 days because of these ceramic fumes, I guess. Yeah, this ceramic is nasty stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna do the fender. I just figured I'd show you how this works. I went and got fresh towels because I did about half the car. You can see where I've ceramiced up here and on the top versus on the sides, how it's beating up. It is very difficult to talk in this thing because it is pinching my nose. But that means it's working. So far, I've done the entire hood, everything on the passenger side except for like one piece that I walked past, the windshield, and the passenger windows. Take this. I'm gonna spray twice. I found 4 times I was actually adding way too much if I sprayed 4 times every time. Stand it on top. Come back. I think that was actually 100% coverage first try. Moment of truth. Missed 1 spot down there, 1 spot right there. I'm getting pretty good at this, not gonna lie. Take that out. Probably add a little bit more right there. Cool. I'm actually, yeah. And then on top, we're good. So I'm gonna sit here and watch this and let it flash. And wait to see if anywhere else starts to rainbow. Yep, there's starting to rainbow. So we start removing from right here. Does that part dried first? Yep, the corner had rainbowing right now. Okay, we're good. I'm drying with the wrong towel. Crap. Okay. This towel is now discarded because it has ceramic on it and I don't want to use it to clean. That is why you have extra towels. For when you get tired and make stupid, dumb mistakes like that. Because what you guys don't see is, yes, it's dark outside. I've been up till 2 a.m. every single night for the past 4 nights, working on this car or a client's car. Mirror shine. Perfect. Sweet. So now let's jump forward to tomorrow morning and take this thing out in the sun. Let's go. All right, we're done. I'm looking at it. It actually hurts to look at. It's so shiny. Real quick though, before I show y'all, let's take a trip down memory lane and see where we all started. Okay, ready? Look at that. Look at that. I did not realize it was just that blue. That looks so good. Like, that's just insane. My grandfather is gonna be so happy. Yeah, this looks so good. Like, you remember the trunk? Look at the trunk now. Look at it. It looks so good. You can only see the scratches if you actually look for them. Oh, I'm blown away at how well this transformed. And now the silver wheels, they looked good before. They pop off against this thing. They match the chrome. It looks so good. This thing, it's transformed. Yeah. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.